Hazrat Ayyub has reported from Abdullah bin Abu Mulaika. He states that Ubayd bin Abu Maryam from me and Hazrat Uqaba bin Waris from him have narrated this hadith. Abdullah states that he himself has heard this hadith from Uqaba, but I have well retained Ubayd's hadith that Hazrat Uqaba radiyallahu anhu states, I married a woman, Yahya, the daughter of Abu Lahab. Later a black woman came and said, I have wet nursed both of you. So I visited the Prophet ﷺ and submitted, I have married a woman, the daughter of so and so, but an Ethiopian woman has come to us and said that she had wet nursed both of us, but she is telling a lie. The Prophet ﷺ turned his face away from me. I again came in front of him and submitted that she was telling a lie. He ﷺ said, how can it be when she is claiming that she has nursed you both? So leave that woman. Ismail said, it indicating with his two fingers, the forefingers and the middle finger, that Ayyub Sakhtiyani would narrate it in this way. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5104.